G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Two Tickets and One Dream. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I've just come outside to say hello to everybody before we go into breakfast. Sorry there wasn't much filming yesterday. The weather was just not very good and a couple of things got cancelled due to the rain. But hopefully we're going to get on the train this morning and head down south. It's amazing what a difference 3 hours can make, like from a little bit down below to high elevation, and from 28 degrees down to 15 degrees. Yeah, it makes a big difference. So anyway, I had a really good night's sleep. The room was warm, but it is cold this morning. And yeah, we're going to go in for breakfast. Last night there was just the same buffet as usual. Most of the restaurants tend to have the same buffet. I'm kind of a little bit over curry at the moment. But we'll go in and see what's for breakfast. It's right here. We've turned you around. Just in here. We're going to go in there for some breakfast. And the bus is picking us up in 1 hour. So yeah, we'll see you then. So this is the little restaurant. Ooh, waffles. So I think you can make your fresh waffles here. Yes, the looks of it. Good morning. You're making waffles and eggs, are you? Anyway, I'm going to go and have a coffee. I've got my little Nescafe sachet. There's the little coffee station, so I'll have that. I'll have a quick little pan around here and see what's for breakfast, and then I'll put the phone down and have a coffee. All right. Oh my gosh, chicken curry. No, we don't want chicken curry for breakfast. I want chicken sausages. That's a chicken sausage, and that's chicken bacon. I have no idea how that's chicken bacon, but it's chicken. I haven't tried it. I'm not going to try it. Dal, curry, and sambar. So it's really, really not set up for Aussies. Baked beans and grilled tomatoes. That's okay. Oh. Parsley, potato and string hoppers. Oh, that's interesting. Potatoes look okay. Some sambal. That's what that lady made when we went to the cultural village. She made that. It was the first time I've ever tried it. It was actually really nice. I enjoyed that. Don't know what that is. Idli and dosa. Oh, oats and pancakes. Porridge, you guys. I like porridge. Ooh, maybe I'll have porridge this morning. That's exciting. Doesn't take much to make me excited, does it? These, it looks like it's got a sausage in it. Sausage roll type thing. Oh, vegetable bun. Vegetable buns, okay. Sausage buns, I was right. Vegetable burger. See, that looks quite nice. And then some, what's this thing? Viand roll, like a sugary donutty thing, and some cake, some sauces and jams, bread there to toast, and the usual fruit, buffalo curd and syrup, some cereal, some juice. All right, Dave's got us a table down there. Let's grab a coffee.
Farmers get rid of it.
I'm so excited to have coffee and porridge. Toast and omelette as well. So we just got off the bus, heading down towards the train station. It's a bit drizzly, but it's not too bad. I probably should have brought my umbrella with me today, but I figured, well, we're going to be on a train, I don't need it. Guide's just organising the tickets. if you want to book these online yourself before you come to Sri Lanka, you can only do it 30 days ahead. And apparently the scalpers jump in and buy all the tickets, and then you have to pay black market prices to get tickets. So it's been quite an ordeal trying to get tickets, but apparently we've got first class tickets, which is what I initially wanted to buy myself, except the travel agency said, oh no, we'll do it for you, so I didn't do it. So there's first, second and third. Third class, as far as I know, is standing only, but luckily enough we've got seats, which is going to be lovely because it's a 3-hour trip down the hill, down the mountain, down to Ella, and we get to see the 9-arch bridge. And I think what we're going to do is when we get off the train, we're going to get tuk-tuks and we're going to ride around so that we can see the actual bridge from the ground, looking up. I don't know that we're going to see a lot today actually, because it is still so misty and drizzly. Alright, here we go. Anyway, 9 to 13. Down here? 9. This says 9.
Six. Is there somebody there? Yeah. Somebody here? You can sit here. One sit here. No, it's bigger.
Me?
No, my.
Oh, okay. No, not there.
One, you can sit here.
I'd rather be next to a window so I can tape.
No, please come. Everyone come.
It's been a huge mess, you guys. Huge mess.
You all sit here then.
Which side? So we're on the train, as you can see, after all that kerfuffle. It's not what I had imagined, it's not what I had dreamed about coming on the train. When I knew we were coming on the train, I just assumed, the weather would be nice and clear and we'll be able to see all the beautiful countryside and the bridges and the waterfalls, but as you can see, that's not the case today with the weather like it is. We're really high up here, but I can't see a thing. But look, it's the experience. I wanted to do the train from Nuala to Ella, and doing it. Alright, we have stopped at a station. This is Ambawela. Now because it is so foggy, I will add a few photos here and there of what the countryside does look like, just in case you're interested, so that you're not totally missing out on the view. I'm actually hoping maybe we get down a little bit lower, maybe the fog will clear and we'll be able to see a little bit more. Some crops of some kind. Bought these little ginger biscuits yesterday when we were at the shop. They're really quite nice. Dave and I have just eaten half a packet. They're similar to the ginger snaps that we have at home, except they're much more gingery. So yeah, tried some of those. Bought a few different things. You never know what you're going to get, but these are nice. We're in a tunnel, you guys. We're off. Looks like the rain stopped now, which is great. So there was a real mix-up with the seating. I think I told you the other day that there's a lot of black market around with the train tickets. So what happens is the ticket sales open 30 days prior to the train leaving, and the scalpers tend to buy up all the tickets. And apparently our tickets were double booked. So we had tickets, our guide gave us tickets for first class. So we went in and we sat down, and then about 5 minutes later a family came and they said, oh, we're in 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, which is what our ticket said. So we had to get up and move. So then we went into the second class cabin where we are now. Apparently there's some seats in first class now, so we're going to move.
Very nice. Very nice.
Our guide said if some people get off at one of the stations and there's some seats available, we're walking through the cabins, he'd let us know and we could move. So this is back to first class. Whoops, door's closing on me. There's TVs in here. Selling some nuts. Oh, the door's closing. Where's the button? Where's the button? Oh, there we go. Oh, gosh. Got a little footrest.
Quieter up here.
It is a lot quieter. It's warmer too. They must have heating on. Oh, okay. Here's our new seat. The other thing I bought yesterday at that supermarket was rice crackers, cheese and chilli. I thought, well, you can't go wrong with rice crackers, surely. They look very similar to home, maybe a bit thicker. Quite nice. So pretty, isn't it? And the fog's lifted. station. I'm just looking for a sign to see where we are.
It's me.
I think it said Hapotal. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but Hapotal.
You already have 10 times. Whoa, look at that cricket pitch. Look at that cricket pitch. I said, look at that cricket pitch.
So the trip is 3 hours and we've been going about 2 hours now, so another hour or so to go, I think. Looks like we're pretty much down the mountain now. Bandarawila. Looks like we're heading into there. There's another stupa, a yellow roofed stupa.
That's a mosque.
Oh, it's a mosque. What's the difference?
A mosque is Muslim, the stupa is Buddhist.
But they're the same shape, roof.
Yeah, but that's definitely a mosque.
Okay.
It's a Hindu temple. To your right.
Looks like these guys are working hard, doesn't it? Looks as if they're putting concrete over some broken stairs. Ella, we're in Ella. I think this is where we're getting off. No, we're not getting off at Ella. It's the next stop. This must be the bridge. Whoa, there it is.
Andrew?
There's the bridge. Woohoo! We made it.
Thousands of people.
Made it to the bridge. Everyone's waving. They've all come to see the train. Gosh.
That's unreal.
Wow. Okay. We saw the train. I think this is where we're getting off now. Medulla, last station.
The next one, right? Next one.
So the train that we were supposed to go on yesterday, that was the train track that was damaged during that big cyclone or hurricane last year, and the track's still damaged. So that's why we came today instead. That was great. I really enjoyed that. Let's get off. We're off. Goodbye, train. It was a lot of fun. Bye. Rashan said to come over here to this little platform and watch the train go back. So we're going to do that. If there's a spot for me to jump in, I will do that. Here it comes. Dude. Go right below us. Tuk-tuk for the next stop.
Gee, I just going. Keep me smiling.
we get out?
We're getting out. I think that one's stuck. Oh, don't go backwards down the cliff.
Bola ho, bola ho.
I think he's stuck. I'm gonna go and help. Yay, got him. There's a tunnel. And there's a couple of little markets and things. Oh, there's people on the tracks. And there it is, you guys, look. The 9-arch bridge. Wow, iconic bridge.
You want dive? Yes. No. Want you what or not?
Dave, you have to get a photo of us with the bridge in the background. I don't know, we'll stand over here. Not go down the cliff like that girl is, for sure.
Thank you.
Cute little tree houses here that they've turned into coffee shops. Just spit it out.
How much? How much?
300 rupee.
350.
So there's a few things we can do while we're in the area. But I think from here we are going off to lunch. And then it's another 2 hours till we get to our next hotel, so I'm not sure if we're doing any sightseeing between now and then. Oh, we're following him. Okay. Here's your Nurofen. Don't drop him. Oh, in this one. Okay. Thank you. We're off again. Heading back up to meet the bus, and then we'll have some lunch. Hopefully we make it back okay.
That's a secret.
Yeah, this is the meeting point also.
This is Ella. This is where we're stopping for lunch. And we've got an hour and a half of free time to wander around. This looks nice. Look at this, I got a frappuccino. Yum, Dave got a latte. Club sandwich for lunch for me. What do you got? Burger for Dave and a beer. Yum. So we've had our lunch, it was lovely. And now we've just got an hour or so to have a walk around. So we're just going to pop in and have a look at a few little shops. I actually wouldn't mind getting a little wooden Buddha. Because you know how I got that little wooden elephant the other day? So I thought a little Buddha about the same size to sit next to it at home would just be a nice little memorial of Sri Lanka. So we'll have a look for that.
One like that, which has got the actual, or you just want a little fat dude.
I'm not sure. Whatever we find. Something like that maybe. That's nice. Or maybe a little bit smaller. The elephant's a dark timber. So I don't know whether we do a dark timber or a light to contrast it. We're going to have a look around anyway. So we've left Ella, heading south. We're going to go and look at a waterfall now. Oh. Beautiful countryside, isn't it? Got off the bus and we're going to look at a waterfall. I thought this dog was dead on the side of the road and I had to... He lifted his head and I thought, oh, thank goodness he's alive. She. That side's pretty spectacular as well. We'll walk down a bit further. Wow, that's pretty spectacular, isn't it? You can't gauge the size of that. It's really big. David's down there. There he is down there. He's taking a photo. Keeps going. Oh, that is stunning.
You have to go ahead and shout.
Start at the bottom and pan up. They've had his photo taken with one of the local police officers. I'll see if I can put the photo in for you. That was a gorgeous waterfall, that's for sure. The Some little doggies. When we were in that shop and I was looking for the wooden Buddha, and I showed you that one that was a light timber, and I said I wanted to get one with the darker timber, with a lighter timber, to match the elephant that I got the other day. And I didn't video it because I was wheeling and dealing, but this is it. It's really pretty, isn't it? It weighs a ton. It's really heavy, solid. So yeah, that's what I ended up getting. I think it'll look really nice next to the elephant. It's a decent size. It is on for 69,000 rupee, and I offered them 30,000 for it, and they came back at 35,000. So I said, yes, I can do that. So yep, very happy with it. Love it. This is one of the other things that I bought when I was at that supermarket. I was looking for something that I recognise, and I recognise like peanut brittle, and I do like peanut brittle. And it's quite nice. I had a little piece before. There's it's like 2 layers in there. Let's break off a piece and get a piece out. Oops. Yeah, so peanut brittle. It's yummy. Always looking for things that I recognise from home. Alright, 2 hours later, we're off the bus again. That's a lot of travelling, isn't it? Going all around a country. Anyway, we're here at our next hotel. This looks very nice.
Passport.
Oh, my passport, hang on. Need our passports to check in everywhere.
My wife's passport.
I'm going to go and have a little wander around while he's checking in.
Yeah, but your backpack's open still.
Oh, a restaurant right here at reception. Gosh, guess that's where we're coming for dinner tonight. Oh, it's a lovely cool breeze. It's not too hot today. I think it's about 28 degrees Celsius. This looks very nice. Oh, there's a pool, there's a pool. We're only here for one night. And you know what? Guess what time we're being picked up tomorrow morning? 5:15 a.m. we're being picked up tomorrow morning. So I'll tell you all about that tomorrow. So make sure you come with me tomorrow morning. It's going to be a fun day, a busy day. We're going to Yala. What's this over here? Looks like a bar, actually. A bar. And we've got a double-storey units, apartments. This pool is a beautiful dark blue, isn't it? Look at that. I want to go in. I don't know that we'll have time. It's already, it's 5:30. This is the problem when you get back so late. We travelled for about 6 hours today. 3 hours on the train, another 3 hours on the bus. It was fun, but we didn't do a lot. We just did a lot of, sitting on the train, sightseeing, sitting on the bus, sightseeing. We didn't get out and do very much today, but tomorrow is going to be a different story. We're going to be doing lots tomorrow. All right, let's go and find our room for the night. So we'll have dinner tonight, which is 7:30 to 9:30, and then in the morning, because we're not going to be here for breakfast, I think they're packing us a breakfast. I have no idea what they're going to pack us, but they're packing us some breakfast. And then I don't even think we'll be here for lunch tomorrow. No. Let's have a look at the menu here. Cocktail menu. 1,200 rupees for a cocktail. Wow, that is so cheap. That's half the price what we were paying at the previous place. Bargain. Here come the welcome drinks. Thank you so much. What's that? Watermelon, guava. Guava. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Thank you. We are in room 107, which is right over there. Poolside. By the looks of it. And they said our keys are inside. We better come over here and have a seat on these chairs later, Dave. Have a cocktail. What do you think? Before dinner. Dinner's at 7:30 again. There's us. 107. Woo. And there's our view. All right, let's go and have a little look. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Gee, it's cold in here. That air conditioning's pumping out some cold air. Oh, this looks so nice. Oh, look. Storage space. TV. Oh, this is really nice. Why do we only have one night in the really nice places? We're only going to get used to it and then we're going to go in the morning. Well, we're not even going to unpack. A little dressing area. Let's have a look. Safe. Oh, there's lights in here. You open the cupboard and there's lights. There's more pillows, lots of hangers. And the bathroom. All important bathroom. Oh, another double shower. Woohoo! Big shower. We've got some storage. Gee, that's low. Comes up just above my knee. But then there's that. So, oh, this is really nice. Yes. All right, well, we're not going to unpack. We're just going to dump our bags and I think go and grab a cocktail. Aren't we, Dave? We're going to go and grab a cocktail.
Are we?
Yep, sounds good. Sit next to the pool and have a cocktail.
Right, you.
Oh, and we can... I wonder if there's any milk. No point in having a kettle. Nope, no milk. We can't make a coffee then unless we want...
some milk back from dinner, mate.
Actually, we could, couldn't we? Maybe we could. Then we could still have a coffee in the morning. All right, let's get organised. Oh, is that mine? Thank you very much. Oh, lovely. Thank you so much. Cheers! Look at the size of this cocktail. Yum! Oh, that is good. It's called Paradise something or other. Dinner time. I am starting off with some soup and some bread. Looks nice and fresh. There's a fish station here. This gentleman's going to cook up some fish. Hello.
Hello.
I don't tend to eat the fish, but I'm happy to eat other things. I eat fish and chips. Just a bit wary of fish in Sri Lanka. Lovely fresh bread. There's some vegetable soup. It's got noodles in it. There's some fruit. We'll just look at the desserts. Things are on this side. Cake. Not sure what that is. Coffee station. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this hotel is called the Tamarind Tree, if you're interested in staying here. Tamarind Tree. The name of the suburb is really long and I can't remember what it was called. But it's the Tamarind Tree Hotel. White rice, seafood, fried rice and yellow rice. What's this one? Cheese pasta. Oh, actually, mac and cheese, you guys, mac and cheese. Okay. And guess what? Buffet dinner's included here. Roasted chicken with barbecue sauce. Normally we only get breakfast and we have to pay for our own dinner, but tonight, yeah, dinner's included. Got some veggies and some potato, grilled cabbage, butter fried mushrooms, and fried water spinach. Oh, And there's some more things here. Some dal curry. Banana blossom tempered. Maybe they mean, oh no, I don't know what that is. Beetroot curry. And badam. And something else, peanut. Badam. So I don't know what these things are. I should broaden my horizons and try new things, shouldn't I?